What's going on, boys and girls? Today we're going to be making some fried grouper, but we're not going to be just frying it directly in grease. We're gonna do this in the oven. It's going to have a little bit of oil in there, but it's not going to be so oily. So sit back, relax, hit that thumbs up. It kicks that algorithm in to show more people this video. And here we go. All right. Now this looks really, really simple, guys. I've got some grouper marinating in, you know what, Tony Chachere's seafood marinade. It's been in there for about 4 hours or so. And then I've got some gluten-free flour and some corn flour. And it's got a bunch of spices in there. I think it's got some Tony Chachere, some onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, just a mixture, mustard powder. That's usually what I put in those. I had that in the freezer because I've used it before. So, and all we're going to do, guys, is we're going to take this out of the marinade, put it in the dredge here. We're going to put a little bit of oil in our cast iron. Get the cast iron here. The cast iron frying pan. Just a little bit of oil on the very bottom. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. All right, now I put about 2 tablespoons of oil, and that's actually lard. 2 tablespoons of lard. We're going to pop that in the oven until it's melted, until it's hot, so that when you put that dredged fish up there, the bottom will be fried and you won't have to flip it. All right, because this grouper, and this is Scamp grouper, is a big old fish, I just cut it in half, and we're going to put it in our dredge here. All right, just make sure your fish is nice and coated like that, guys and gals. And then we're going to put it in our frying pan. Shouldn't have to go in there very long. We just want to go in there until so about 5, no more than 6 minutes. You know, while I'm at it, guys, with our fish, we're going to have another dish made with some corn on the cob. And what I did is I boiled that for about 8 to 10 minutes. We're going to take it off the cob, and then we're going to saute it with some onions and mix it in with some black-eyed peas. And I just wanted to document the video today, because every time I don't document it, it comes out so doggone good, and I regret not documenting it. All right, so what we're going to do, we took our corn off the cob. We diced up about half of a medium onion. We got some lemon juice, got some Grey Poupon mustard, got some canned black-eyed peas here. This is Lux. It's got some pork in it, and we got some seasoned all salt. We're going to saute these onions first with some butter. So just melt your butter down. We're going to add the onions in and just saute those until they're nice and glistening, y'all. Okay, after about 2 minutes or so, we're going to add in our corn. Now, the corn is already cooked, y'all, so. And we're going to give that a stir. Add in about a half a teaspoon or a seasoned all salt, about a tablespoon of mustard, and about a tablespoon of lemon juice. And then add in your black-eyed peas. All right, add in your black-eyed peas. This is going to be so good, y'all. I know it's canned, you know. The natural ones are a lot better, but these are good. I like Lux. Bring it to a boil for about maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and it'll be, by the time we take the fish out, it'll be done. All right, so take that frying pan out. It is hot, y'all. I'm gonna go with our fish here. Just add it in. Put the bottom in. Go back in the oven here, guys, and let that cook for about 5 minutes or so, till it's golden brown. Okay, one thing that I forgot to tell you, put a little bit of cooking spray on top of it. It'll make it brown a lot better. There we go. And again, that handle is hot. Alrighty, now let me tell you what I did. I cooked on 400 for about 5 minutes. Then I turned it up to broil for about 3 minutes, guys, and it still doesn't have the kind of the bottom part probably does, but the top part is still kind of, you know, you can tell that it's got a little bit of you know, cooking, browning on it, but I don't want to overcook it either, because the fish is terrible if it's overcooked. So we're just going to have to go with the bottom of it being nice and brown, and the top. Of course, I guess I could flip it over. Oh yeah, now that looks like fried fish right there. So we're gonna plate this up with our beans and corn, and we're gonna have some lunch. There you go, guys. We got some grouper and some some beans and corn, some black-eyed peas and corn. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment. We're just keeping it short today, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that thumbs up, guys. Y'all have a great day. Peace.